In this video, I will show you exactly how to get your business manager reinstated. If you create a business manager, your business manager may be restricted, and it's normally for security reasons for you to really confirm you are the one who actually owns the business and you are a legitimate person, not a fraudulent account you are using. So they will let you confirm, or in some cases, you may also be running advert with your business manager and you violate a policy. And when you violate a policy, they will disable your business manager and ask you to confirm. So how do you appeal? So first of all, you log into your Facebook account. When you log in, you click on the Ad Manager on your left-hand corner, then to bring you to Ad Manager. From Ad Manager, you may see a warning here. If an ad account in that business manager is also disabled. If you don't see any warning here, just still come here and then click on Business Support Home. So when you come to Business Support Home, you will see the details of the restriction you have, okay? So under the, so let me just show you something. You click like this. This is what you will see. So you will see your user account, and then if you don't see any restriction here, it means that it's not, your user account is not restricted. When you scroll down, you see something like account overview. So you click on account overview. It will take you to all your accounts. So account issues will show there. So as you can see, we have account restricted here. When you click on view accounts, it will now show you. So you click on the business manager that is restricted, and you are now asked to request a review. To request a review, you need to do some few things before you can do that successfully. One of it is you have to make sure that you change the details on your ID card on your Facebook account to match with your ID card. So for example, you have to check your name. Is the name the same as what is on your ID card? That is the first thing you should do. Second, you have to also check the birth date. So you click on your name at the top left, scroll down to the About section, and then you check your date of birth, okay, contact and basic info. Check your date of birth to make sure that it's the same thing as what is on your ID card. So when that is confirmed, okay, then you now come here and then click on Request Review. You click on Request Review. I forgot to add that before you request review, when you come here, they will normally give the reason. If you want to know the details of why your account is restricted, you can open this link in a new tab. Just check it here. As you can see, these are all the policies they are talking about. But most of the time, they are vague reasons. They will give you reasons that doesn't even make sense. So you just have to make sure that you appeal, follow the right procedures as I'm indicating to you to appeal. If you also come to the business manager to create an ad account, you will see that it's disabled. Now let's go for the appeal. So when you click on request review, it will tell you that request review. So you click on request review, then it will ask you to indicate if you're not a robot. Click on continue. It will ask you to upload your ID card. So after you upload the ID, if it doesn't fit well, you make sure you delete it and redo it, and make sure that it at least fits into the screen. It should be a rectangle in shape, or 400 by 300 mega what do you call it, pixels. 400 by 300 pixels will fit very well. So when you do it, you make sure you check the birth date to confirm that it is still matching. Then you also check the first and last name. So when you check the first and last name and it's matching, yeah, everything is matching. So you click on continue. It will tell you that you hear from them within 48 hours. So you click close and then you refresh here. So you wait for about 5 minutes. They will tell you it may take up to 48 hours, but wait for about 5 minutes and check again. It has been 3 minutes now, and I'm going to refresh it and we see whether it is reinstated or not. It is just 3 minutes. So as you can see, advertising access reinstated. If you also come here and check, here too was disabled. You can create an ad account. Let me refresh and you see. As you can see, the restriction is removed. So now you can go ahead to set up your ad campaigns or create an ad account or whatever. Now, when you follow this procedure and you don't get a solution, please don't hesitate to contact us by following the WhatsApp link in the description. I'm talking of the description. So you follow the WhatsApp link. You can also leave your comments in the comment section. Please also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. We have also run several ad campaigns for people who have got the results they're actually looking for. They were running and they were not getting any meaningful result. If you also contact us we will help you. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.